In this video, we immerse ourselves in the fascinating world of the capybara, the largest rodent on the planet. These semi-aquatic mammals, also known as capybaras, chiguaros or by their scientific name Hydrochoerus hydrochoeres, inhabit vast regions of South America and have been sighted in small invasive populations in Florida. With a detailed approach, we explore their biology, behavior and the importance of their conservation. Capybaras are herbivorous creatures whose size ranges between 106 to 134 centimeters in length and weigh between 35 and 66 kilograms, adapted to both a terrestrial and aquatic life. With a diet based on grasses and aquatic plants, and a peculiar behavior, coprophagy, which allows them to make the most of the nutrients in their food. This habit, although it may seem strange, is essential for their survival due to the difficulty in digesting their high-fiber diet. The social structure of capybaras is equally fascinating. They live in groups of up to 30 individuals, where a dominant hierarchy is observed, especially among males. These groups maintain and defend territories that include food sources and resting areas, displaying complex and cooperative behavior that is vital for their survival. The importance of water for these creatures is undeniable, spending the hottest part of the day submerged to avoid heat stress, highlighting their adaptation to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. In addition, its reproduction is addressed, which occurs throughout the year with peaks in the rainy season. The pups are born after a gestation period of approximately 150 days, highlighting their rapid development and the importance of group support for their survival. Protection from predators is a critical aspect of their daily lives, with warning mechanisms and concealment strategies crucial to their preservation. The world is full of fascinating creatures, but few capture our imagination like the capybara, the world's largest rodent. Although their size may surprise at first glance, there is much more to these semi-aquatic animals than their impressive stature. Let's dive into the world of the capybara, revealing curious facts that will make you see these friendly giants in a new light. Capybaras, with their robust bodies and partially webbed feet, are natural swimmers. Did you know that they can stay submerged for up to 5 minutes at a time? This ability not only helps them avoid predators but also makes them skilled aquatic food seekers. Their life in close proximity to water is so central to their existence that they literally could not survive without it. Imagine being able to relax in the water during the hottest hours of the day. The capybaras have it all figured out. If you thought social media was exclusive to humans, think again. Capybaras live in groups that can vary significantly in size, from a few individuals to 30. These groups not only provide security but also establish complex social interactions. Capybaras demonstrate that community life is essential, not only for their survival but also for their emotional well-being. Although we know that capybaras are herbivores, their diet has surprising peculiarities. In addition to feeding on a variety of grasses and aquatic plants, they practice coprophagy, that is, eating their own feces as a morning meal. Although it may sound unappetizing, this habit allows them to absorb twice the essential nutrients from their fibrous diet. It is a clear example of how nature finds ingenious ways of adaptation and survival. Communication between capybaras is a fascinating field and not yet fully understood by scientists. They make a variety of sounds, from barking to growling and chirping, especially at dusk and dawn. These sounds play a crucial role in group cohesion, warning of danger, and possibly courtship. The next time you hear a capybara, remember that you are witnessing a complex act of social communication. They are not only fascinating to biologists, capybaras have gained a sort of internet celebrity status. Their calm and gentle nature, along with their tendency to be sociable, even with other species, has made them social media stars. There are countless photos and videos showing them relaxing with turtles, birds and even monkeys, proving that friendship knows no species. Despite being classified as a species of least concern by the UCAN, capybaras face threats due to habitat destruction and hunting. Their presence in protected areas is vital, but active conservation is necessary to ensure these fascinating creatures remain a common sight in South American wetlands. Capybaras teach us valuable lessons about adaptation, sociability and survival. By learning more about them, we not only expand our knowledge of the natural world but also grow in our appreciation for the incredible biodiversity of our planet. These friendly wetland giants are truly one of nature's living treasures, deserving of our admiration and conservation efforts. Furry friends with surprising adaptations. Capybaras are known for their love of water, but did you know that they use water not only to escape from predators but also to regulate their body temperature? On hot days, soaking helps them stay cool. In addition to their vocalizations, capybaras have scent glands in their noses, known as morillo glands, which they use to communicate. Males rub them against vegetation, or even against females, to mark territory or signal their availability for mating. Their partially webbed feet aren't just useful for swimming, they also facilitate their movement in the mud, preventing them from sinking. This allows them to easily access feeding areas that other animals cannot reach. Capybaras have a specialized digestive system that allows them to ferment plant foods in their large intestine, similar to how cows do. This allows them to extract maximum nutrition from their diet based on aquatic plants and grasses. Although capybaras often form groups, the composition and size of these groups can change. During the dry season, when water is scarce, capybaras may form larger groupings around the few available bodies of water. Capybaras are remarkably tolerant of other species. They have been documented peacefully sharing habitat and resources with a variety of animals, including birds, monkeys, and even reptiles. Female capybaras can give birth up to 4 times a year if conditions are favorable, with litters containing from 1 to 8 cubs. This high reproductive rate is crucial to keeping the population stable in the face of natural predators. Capybara cubs are precocial. They can eat grass within the first few days of life and are able to swim almost immediately after birth. This innate ability is vital for their survival in the aquatic habitats where they live. In some regions, capybaras are so abundant that they have given names to certain herbs and aquatic plants that are part of their diet, evidence of the significant impact they have on their ecosystem. Capybaras are not only popular on the internet, they also have a place in the culture and mythology of the indigenous communities of South America. They are respected and often appear in traditional stories and myths. And so, friends of Wild Wonders, we conclude our trip today exploring the wonders of capybaras, these gentle giants of the wetlands. But our adventure does not end here. If you are as passionate about the animal world as we are and want to continue learning and marveling at the most amazing creatures on our planet, I invite you to join our community. How? Very simple. Subscribe to the channel, like this video if you liked it, and share it with your friends, and your support helps us continue creating content that opens windows to the fascinating world of fauna. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Is there a specific animal or wildlife related topic that interests you? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your suggestions, and who knows, maybe your idea will be the star of our next video. Remember, every creature has a story that deserves to be told and a vital role in our world. At Wild Wonders, we are committed to being the voice of those who cannot speak and to show the beauty, complexity, and importance of preserving the biodiversity of our planet. Until next time, nature explorers. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep taking care of our world. And until the next video.